Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-955HP. Jeff got it ready to go for you. Upgraded your AM voltage regulator as well as the tune-in alignment. Let's get right to it. We'll start with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, roll it all the way up, 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing first. Hello, about 46 bird average. Peak power, 100 watt scale. Hello, 92 watts. Now Jeff, you said you're just going to be running radio only. If that's the case, a 20 watt carrier swinging to 100 peak will give you 125% positive peaks, so that'll work out really good for you. Jeff, I appreciate it. If this is something like you're looking for, hop on the website. Check us out at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.